Hello YouTube and welcome to lesson 31 of the Adobe InDesign tutorial series, and today we're going to learn about how layers work inside of InDesign. So if you are familiar with Adobe Illustrator, then the layers over there act similar to how layers work in InDesign. So the layers panel is located over here. As you can see, when I draw a shape over here like a rectangular and fill in up with a color, okay, just to make sure that it is visible, you can see that it is in a layer right here. So I'm going to select another box right here. I'm going to fill it up with a different color, and you can see that a separate layer has not been created. Unlike in Photoshop, just like in InDesign, what you have over here is you have something called the sublayers, as you can see, and the edges, if you can see, is in blue color, as you can see, because the layer color right now is blue, and layer is something you can rename. For example, now I'm gonna say this is my background, just like this, and I'm gonna press OK. And over here I can also create a new layer right here, and you can see that that is layer 2, and I can drag in my sublayers inside of the other layer, and you can see now my edges or the selection handle turn into red. So I can create multiple layers, as you can see, and once the layers are created, you can see that the selection actually turns out to be red, and that is because the red is here, and you can see that I can turn it on and off over here. So you can select this background as over here, and you can see that this is blue and this over here is red, as this layer color is red. I can create another color that is green. So if I were to create something over here, you can see that the edges actually become green, and that is how the layers work. So you can sift the layers out over here. Let's say, for example, if I were to drag this over here, you can see that it actually sifts the layer, and that's how the layers work out. So you can drag in the layer right here. So that is how layers work inside of InDesign. Hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.